I've hijacked Ellie's video for a little bit. Just wanted to show you the final, the outcome and how amazing this is. Look, it's so intricate. There's so many designs. It's so busy, but at the same time, it's just perfect. So I wanted to show you this little trick. Basically, when the henna dries out, a really good way of making it a bit wetter is using lemon and sugar. So it's literally, as you can see, lemon juice with a bit of sugar just mixed in. I've got just like a kitchen towel.
So why do you make it wetter again?
So basically, if you wet it again, the lemon infuses and it makes the skin go darker again, so it carries on getting darker.
So for better effects of the henna, darker effects. Yeah.
So I'm literally just dabbing it into the lemon and sugar, and as you can see, I'm just dabbing over the henna, just dabbing it gently, so you don't ruin the effect.
Yeah, on the very dried places, because down on the fingers it's still wet.
Yeah, it's not so dry. You can see there's, I don't know if you can see, but there's a bit of a colour change here to here, and that's where it's all dry. And then if you just keep going.
I think you should stop for this bit now. Yeah.
And there you go. And you can just reapply that every time you want.
Oh, it looks so good.
And it's just so easy. It's just a bit of lemon and sugar, and you can reapply it every time you need to.
Hey. Thank you, Amina, for sharing.